Scotty, you've had a day.
Yeah, just to do a lock cylinder. Okay, so
Well,
as we showed,
switch.
the lock cylinder basically just blew up.
The ignition switch.
Yep,
blew up,
just old.
Not the lock cylinder.
So, okay, great, not a problem. So we couldn't figure out. Here's the original key. So it got so bad that it's just not turning anything anymore.
No.
So to get it out of the dashboard, you have a twist lock. As you can tell, little tiny
with tabs.
Tabs. So you put it into place, turn, and it locks it into place.
Yeah.
Now, once this is in the dashboard, the spring kind of gives it tension to pull back, and this locks it into place, and you're good.
Nice and tight.
Right. So when you put the key in the ignition, it gives you that nice, clean, kind of really good look. So the new one, which isn't broken, has more pressure on it, and they didn't make the keys long enough. So when you put the keys in the ignition, and I'll show you the difference, they would hit right there.
Like that.
There's nothing we could have done except hopefully either find another one of these that's deeper, find a less quality product to put in there, which, sorry, that's not what we're going to do. So we found our way around the situation.
Yeah, Scotty did a little key trimming.
So we trimmed it.
Look at that.
Just that ever so little bit.
And what's funny is the old style key, the blank, is where this is cut down to.
Yep, is longer.
Interesting. Well, that makes sense.
So I did both keys. Now there's no issues. The key goes in all the way like it's supposed to. So as you can tell, I'm literally dripping sweat. It's 100, I think 115 or 120 inside here. So I can only work a little bit at a time, and then I got to get out. So the new ignition is in. We tested it, just dangling, put the piece in, check the keys. It's perfect, there's no issues. It's back to clicking like it's supposed to. And I'll get back to you guys on the next video, hopefully with either it running or in, one of the two. But on that note, sorry, I'm literally dripping away here.
Yeah.
Love y'all.